Understanding the phrase, "Let it simmer," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, "let it simmer." This expression is not only popular in everyday conversation, but it also gives us a glimpse into how language can borrow from one context, like cooking, and apply it metaphorically to others. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning and usage of "let it simmer." First, let's understand the literal meaning. In cooking, to let something simmer means to cook it gently, just below boiling, for a period. This method is often used for soups, stews, or sauces, and it's about allowing flavors to develop slowly. The key here is the gentle and gradual process. Now, let's explore how this term is used in everyday language. When someone says, "let it simmer," in a non-cooking context, they are usually advising to let a situation develop slowly without rushing or forcing it. It could be used in various scenarios, like waiting for the right time to make a decision, allowing someone to cool off after an argument, or giving an idea time to evolve. Let's look at some examples to see how "let it simmer" is used in sentences. 1. After an argument, "We had a big fight, so I'm just going to let it simmer for a few days before we talk again." 2. In decision-making, "I'm not sure if I should take this job offer. I'll let it simmer over the weekend and decide on Monday." 3. In creative processes, "I have a rough idea for the project, but I think I should let it simmer a bit more before presenting it." It's important to note that "let it simmer" is usually used for situations that are emotional, complex, or creative in nature. It's not typically used for simple, everyday decisions or actions. For instance, saying, "I'll let my decision to go to the store simmer," doesn't quite fit the context of the phrase. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of "let it simmer." Remember, it's all about allowing things to develop at their own pace, without rushing. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!